Hello, namaskar WordPress people. So in this video, we are going to talk about a new plugin I have released on WordPress.org. So that is called the guide block. And as this is mentioned, this is a Gutenberg block. So what this block does? So it is a block by which you can create a step-by-step guides or tutorial or workflow, or maybe how to or onboarding process, documentations, one by one. So this type of block you can create by this plugin. So if I can show you in the screenshot that so this is how it looks. We have to do next previous, and then once all the steps are done, we can see the success message as well. So yeah, let's try to check how this plugin works. So this is my local WordPress site and I have already installed the plugin. So I'm going to provide this plugin link into the description section. So go and check out that. So let's create a new post and I'm going to say change site title tutorial. So I'm gonna add a blog. So search guide. So you will find this block, the guide block. So as you can see, you have to add steps now. So let's click on add step. So the step 1 is to go to WP admin. Let's say we can upload the image as well. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna set this image. So go to and we can set the description. As of now, I'm gonna just set this as a description. Now let's again add a new step, and then we can say go to settings general. So I'm gonna add this screenshot and then same instruction. Let's add step 3, change title. So I'm gonna add this, set the description, and here we have provided this icon by which we can just see how it is gonna look on the front side. Now let's try to check the styles, but before checking that, let's see this option, show success message at the end. So whenever all the steps are done, we will be able to see the success message. We can just disable this as well if you don't want to display that, but as of now I'm gonna enable this, and I have provided this option as well if you want to change the success message. So that's that. Now let's publish this and we will check other options later. So this is how it looks. So for example, yeah, this is the guide to change the site title. So I have provided that instruction. So first, this is the first step. Now this is the second step, and then this is the last step. And as you can see, we are able to see the success message as well. Now we have provided some styling options as well. So styling options we won't be able to judge by this screen, like adding the new steps. So that's why we have provided this preview button. So we can see how it is gonna look like. So first of all, we have provided this different styling. For example, this is the dark mode. So when we enable this, it will display this in a dark mode. So these are some other options as well. So I'm gonna set to default. Now we can change the color as well, color of text over here like this, and let's say the background. So this is the background. It's not this background, it is the background of this whole block, not the card. So yeah, I'm gonna set this background, and then I will add padding like this. We can set margin as well. We can add border as well. So let's add border of this color, and we can increase the thickness of the border as well. And then we can set the border radius. So it's like this. And another option is that we can add shadow as well. So like this. Yeah, this one is my favorite. So let's save it. And if we now refresh this, it's gonna look something like this. Yeah, I just tried to show you the settings. I know this doesn't look nice, but yeah, you can try your own combinations as well. I'm gonna just set this one as of now. And now this is look like this. So yeah, this is the guide block. This is how it works. If you have any doubt, question, please write down below in the comment section. And also you can give me a suggestion through my GitHub repo, or you can just add issue over here in the support forum. And if you like this add-on, if you like this plugin, just consider rating it on this page. So yeah, this is the plugin, guys. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadev. Hey there, so if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would recommend to visit this site, the wpvoyage.com. This site has very good tips and tricks regarding the Gutenberg development. Thank you.